Deborah Donaldson here, and I have come across a software that I am super excited about because it has really improved the presentations that I do, the slides that I use in my trainings and things like that. And if you are an affiliate marketer and you need slides to do a presentation or for promotions, blog posts, things like that, this software can really make your life easier and save you so much time. I was so excited about it, I decided to do a video. So first things first, I'm going to take you through the website, and then I'm going to log into my account and show you actually how it works. So with this software here, you can do presentations, you can make documents, put in your prompt and get a website, social media posts. And the things that I really like about this is you can do text, you can put in a prompt. It just makes it so easy to come up with presentations. And as you can see here, the colors are bright, it looks professional, and it is very quick to produce these presentations. So you can also, once you come up with your slides, you can do editing. It's very easy to use. Typically, I have tech issues, and I did not have any tech issues with this whatsoever. Now, the other thing that I really like about this app is you can get started completely for free with no credit card required, and you can really give this software a good test run and make sure that it does what you need it to do. And the number of credits that you get with the free account really allow you to experiment with the different presentation styles and test it out to make sure it's right for you. So let's go ahead to the pricing here. So when I came across this app, I started with the free account here, and with the free account you get 50,000 AI tokens. You can create as many presentations as you want. There is some restriction on how many cards or slides you can do, and so the restriction is up to 10 cards, which is actually quite a few. I started creating presentation after presentation. I was so excited to use this that I actually kind of burned through my 50,000 credits. Then the decision was, well, do I think it's worth it to upgrade? And I decided it definitely was, because it saved me so much time and effort. I thought the $8 per month was so affordable, and looking at how much time it saved me, I just couldn't say no to upgrading. Now, when you upgrade, you get 100,000 AI tokens and priority support, and you also can remove the Made with Gamma badge. And the number of cards, you can also generate up to 20 cards. And I think the image generation gives you more options on image generation. So you can play around with that as well. I am currently using the plus level for my membership. Okay, so let's actually log in and I will show you how this works. Okay, the way I have been using this is I have been creating prompts with ChatGPT and then pasting them into Gamma.AI to create my presentation. There's a number of different ways that you can use Gamma. You can just put in a prompt yourself and have it generate a presentation, or you can import a file or a URL and create presentations or web pages. But what I'm going to show you today is actually from a prompt in ChatGPT that I put in, and actually it's for doing a presentation on Gamma. And I've used the same prompt also in Canva and PowerPoint, and I'll show you the differences in the presentation. First off, I'm going to go here to paste in text because I already have my outline done. It's just from ChatGPT. So first I asked it for an outline for a promotion video on Gamma, and it gave me this outline with all these timestamps, and I really didn't want the timestamps. So then I asked ChatGPT to give me the outline with no timestamps so I can enter it into Gamma to create my presentation. And so it gave me then these different slide outlines here. So this is what I copied, and let's go here into Gamma, and I'm going to paste that in. So I've got the ChatGPT outline pasted right there. And then once you get that done, you have a number of options. You can generate from notes or an outline, you can summarize a long text or document, or preserve the exact text. And this is what I have been doing, is preserving the exact text. And then continue to the prompt editor. And you can make whatever changes you need here. If you want to pick the style and color here, you can change the image style here, whether you want abstract, 3D, any extra keywords you can put in. And over here on the left shows you how many tokens you've used out of your, like since I'm in that middle level with 100,000, I've used 199 out of the 100,000. This here, I've got my different slides. So by card, a card is another name for a slide. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if there was a slide that was super long and I wanted to make it into a couple, then what I would do is enter. And then if I do the 3 spaces like that, it will make a whole nother slide. But I don't want to do that, so I will move that back into slide number 4. Let's just say I'm super happy with this presentation here, and then all I'm going to do is say generate, and I'm going to keep my camera on while it's generating so you can actually see how quick this works. And I really like how bright the colors are, how it pops off the page. I think it really looks very professional, and it is super fast at creating this presentation. And when you see it compared to some of these other presentations, I think you're really going to be impressed with the quality of presentation that you get. Now at this point here, you can create something else, go back to your prompt. You can say, hey, I like this or I don't. Here's the outline over here. And then over here on the right hand side, you can do card templates or smart layout. So it gives you a number of other options and things that you can do over here. You can make a slide that includes a form, or if you are doing a presentation and you're sharing it, at the end of the slide you could add in a button that would take people either to your website or your affiliate offer or whatever you need. You could do that there. So there's a lot of options here on the side. So this presentation here, I think, looks really good. You're not wasting hours fiddling with slide layouts. You're not overwhelmed by complex presentation software. The presentations are not bland or forgettable because they're bright, and I love the imagery. It is at a totally another level compared to like the PowerPoint and even Canva. I have the Canva Pro account, but you can use the free account. I love the imagery, and for me it looks way more professional than what I got with Canva and even PowerPoint. Introduces Gamma AI, save time, professional design, stress-free experience. This is all awesome. You enter your prompt, you create your slide decks, and you can customize as needed. Like I said, if you're an affiliate marketer or doing internet marketing, creating ads, things like that, this is a great way to create your presentations. You can start, like I said, a free trial, no credit card required, and you have, the only restriction is the number of credits you have. They don't renew after a month. And then once you go to the paid version, then the credits will renew as you renew your membership. You can cancel anytime. So this here is the Gamma presentation. I went ahead and entered the same prompt into Canva, and this is what I got here at Canva. Yes, it's a presentation, it will work, but compared to the other one, I think this is bland. It works, you could make it work, you know, if this was the only thing that you wanted to do, Canva will work. The color and the presentation style of Gamma is just so far and above this, in my personal opinion. And then the next thing I did is I went to my PowerPoint software, and again I put in the same prompt. And then this is what Gemini gave me. Even this, I mean, it will work. If this is what you have, this will work. But I just think the whole presentation style of the Gamma AI software is absolutely amazing. I don't know about you, but trying to create, you know, before AI, trying to create slides that look professional and get the spacing correct and the fonts and trying to find images. I mean, you could spend all day just making a couple of slides, and you saw how fast that Gamma was at creating slide presentation right there, and it was super fast. I absolutely love Gamma.AI. If you're doing any kind of marketing whatsoever, if you're doing teaching or anything like that, say you're doing a course on affiliate marketing, or you have something that you're doing a presentation for, this software can save you so much time and effort. I mean, just going between this here and this here, you can see the total difference. And then you can even change the card styling over here, the three dots. You can open the menu. You can use AI, add another card with AI. There's just so much that you can do with the software. And this was just a presentation. You could create a web page if you wanted. I hope you found this to be helpful. It's a game changer and a time saver. If you're interested in setting up a free account, I'll just put my affiliate link in the description below. Give it a good test run, try out different prompts, use your ChatGPT account. You can just use the free one. Give this a good run and make sure it's right for you, but I absolutely love this software.